Hey guys, I am Maddie, an Australian photographer, and today I'll be showing you my camera equipment. In this video, I will not be explaining how to use the cameras. I will just basically purely show you my equipment that I use starting out. So, we are just going to jump right into the very first camera I ever purchased. This one was actually $400, which is pretty good price. I did buy this off the Facebook marketplace from a lovely lady. Remember, if you're going to purchase from secondhand, make sure it is not a scam. We went to the place and actually had a look at it and tested it out, and she showed me how to use it. Well, the basic settings, but this one is by far my favorite. It has a flip screen, so you can get it at all angles. You can lower the flip screen. Yeah, it is just great. I personally love using this one. This is just the 18 to 55 millimeter basic camera lens. This is my favorite one. This is the Canon 700D. Now, going on to this one. This is actually a default camera that I got in a photography course. I didn't actually complete that course, but we don't need to talk about that. This is Canon 1500D. I personally prefer the 700D over the 1500. This one does have more stuff on the side for cords. Actually, I think they have the same. Wait, let me check. No, they have pretty much the same, never mind. So this one also has just the sides, HDMI, that sort of thing. And then they have this little flap here as well. So this is the 700D. And then this is the 1500D with that little flap on the side. Yeah, I don't know. I just prefer the 700D over the 1500D. These are older cameras. This one is a 18 to 55 millimeter lens. But let's go with my wildlife lens. This one is my absolute baby. I love this one. This is a 70 to 300 millimeter lens. Yeah, it is great for photos. I pair it with both cameras. Like I said, I prefer the 700D, but that's just me. And then I have not yet used this, but this is my little HDMI monitor. It is flat at the moment. But you can hook it on at the bottom. I usually just sit it up in here. And it's great for like portrait or studio. But yeah, that's pretty much all the camera equipment that I use. 18 to 55 millimeter lens, 700D, 1500D, as well as 70 to 300 millimeter lens. So if this video is helpful, if you want to see photos from either of these cameras, go over to my Instagram, as I post so much on Instagram. But this is the cameras that I use, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I know so many photographers don't share the cameras. I would say invest in a lens. Just buy a cheap camera body when you're starting out, because photography is expensive. So buy a cheap camera lens, camera body, and then buy a good camera lens that go with the camera body. I'm a Canon user, so I use Canon. And yeah, I hope this video shows you that you can use whatever cameras to start photography. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want me to do a 1500D versus 700D comparison in photos, then definitely let me know. I can do that video. Otherwise, see you guys in the next video.